2, we are given that one of the following readings represent the measurement of length of a metal rod using Vernier Caliper. Now, before we get into it, let's understand what are those instruments we make use to measure length. Anytime you have to measure length of a material, what are those instruments we use? Number 1, we make use of metal. Number 2, we make use of caliper. Number 3, we make use of Vernier Caliper. And number 4, we make use of micro screw gauge. These are the instruments we use to measure the length of a material. And as you can see, these instruments, they are graded in different units. For instance, the least gradation for a metal is either 1 millimeter or 0.1 centimeter. Okay, while our caliper is also similar to the same unit we have for our metal. Caliper is measured in 1 millimeter or 0.1 centimeter. Now, when we come to Vernier Caliper is more accurate than your metal rule and your caliper. That means it is measured in 10 millimeter or not 10 millimeter, it's measured in 0.1 millimeter or 0.01 centimeter. While your micro screw gauge is the most accurate instrument used to measure length, which is measured in 0.01 millimeter or 0.001 centimeter. Now, what do you observe about these measurements? You observe that they increase in the number of decimal number. So when you observe that an object increase in the number of decimal number or an instrument increase in number of decimal number, that determines the accuracy of that instrument. So that means my Vernier Caliper is more accurate than my caliper and my metal rule, while my micro screw gauge is the most accurate instrument used to measure length because it has the highest number of decimal numbers, or let me say decimal place. So let's go back to the question. Coming down to our question says, one of the following readings represent the measurement of the length of a metal rod using Vernier Caliper. Taking the reading accuracy into consideration, the most likely one is, so since we are using Vernier Caliper, and remember that Vernier Caliper is either 0.1 millimeter or 0.01 centimeter. So it's either we have a 1 decimal millimeter or a 2 decimal place centimeter. Let's look at it. A has 2 decimal place centimeter. I think A sounds correct. If you look at B has 3 decimal place centimeter, and that's wrong. C has 1 decimal place centimeter, wrong. D has 3 decimal place centimeter, wrong. Why our E has no decimal place centimeter, that's wrong. As you can see, why is A the right answer? Because if you look at our centimeter at this side, we only have 1, 2, and our option also has 2 decimal place. That's why it's the right answer. So option A stands as the right answer.